everyone, thank you for tuning in to another video. This week's video is going to be our monthly market update for the September residential real estate stats. Heading into fall for Belleville, Quinte West, and Prince Edward County. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's get into it. So first, we will tee it up with new listings. So the new supply that's coming to the market in September. Starting with Belleville, we had 140 new listings. That's down 4.8% from last year. It's worth noting that we're down in new listings from September of 2022 as well. So new listings in Belleville slightly down from the last couple of years. Over to Quinte West, we had 112 new listings come on. That's up 4.7% from last September, which was the record September of all Septembers in Quinte West for new listings. The previous record was 92. So a good amount of supply coming on in Quinte West for sure. It's a bit of a base year effect because we had a really high new listing count last September, but 112 new listings is a lot for Quinte West. And lastly, Prince Edward County. Again, seeing rising inventory levels in the county. We saw 108 new listings come on this September. That's up 20% from last year. We'll see if we have the sales to back that up, but we have a continued supply increase in the county heading through these fall months into winter. So overall, we're seeing some new supply come online, good amounts of inventory. Let's see if the sales back this up. Let's talk sales. So in Belleville, we saw 71 sales happen in the month of September. That's up a whopping 54.3% from last September, but take that with a grain of salt because like new listings in Quinte West, this is a base year effect happening with sales volume in Belleville, as last September we saw the lowest number of sales in the last 10 years for September. Now, that being said, we still have strong sales volume in Belleville with only 2020 and 2021 having higher September sales numbers than this year. Heading over to Quinte West, we saw 51 sales happen. That's up 10.9% from last year and just 2 sales shy of the record number of sales in the September for Quinte West. So sales volume in Belleville and Quinte West, about a 2-to-1 ratio with new listings coming on to number of sales. And heading over to Prince Edward County, we saw just 28 sales happen in the month of September. That's down 6.7% sales volume wise from last September. And then if we're comparing that to new listings, that's up 20%. There's that big delta there. So inventory, again, continues to build in Prince Edward County and carrying higher levels of inventory into the fall and likely through winter. So again, going back to the new listing versus sales ratio, if we're seeing Belleville and Quinte West about 2 new listings to 1 sale, and Prince Edward County is about 4 new listings to 1 sale, when that market already has higher levels of inventory. Last up on the docket, median sale price. So in Belleville, for the month of September, we saw a median sale price of $510,000. That's down 5.6% year over year compared to last September and 2.1% year to date compared to January of this year. So in Belleville, continuing the trend of seeing this median sale price hover around $500,000 with the bulk of the transactions being entry-level homes and lower priced homes, as we see mid to higher priced homes sit on the market for a little bit longer as the lower priced inventory is absorbed. Now this may change going forward with rates on the decline. Same kind of story with Quinte West, median sale price coming in at $499,999. That's down 6.5% year over year, but still up slightly year to date because of that low sales figure we saw for the month of January in Quinte West. This is the lowest median sale price in Quinte West since February of this year. Heading to Prince Edward County, this is the one bright spot I think in Prince Edward County for all of these statistics. Median sale price comes in up 17.3% year over year and up 9.1% year to date. So you can see there's still money flowing into Prince Edward County, just less money and less people and less transactions happening. But there's still people with money who are buying in Prince Edward County, just fewer and far between. But keep in mind, this median sale price is quite volatile because of the wide range of property types and prices in Prince Edward County. So what's the takeaway from all of this? The market seems to be holding relatively steady heading into fall in Belleville and Quinte West. Lower priced homes are driving the bulk of the transactions, but inventory levels remain relatively low and good homes are still selling at fair prices. Prince Edward County, on the other hand, has climbing inventory levels heading into fall, and supply is definitely outpacing demand. With further rate cuts on the horizon, This will probably impact Belleville and Quinte West on a more immediate basis, with first-time buyers and investors getting into the market. Never mind first-time buyers having the 30-year amortization option, which I'll try and cover in another video, but this will have a trickle-through effect up the property ladder in these two markets. On Prince Edward County, I think this may take a little bit more time to recover because with our weak economy, people are going to be feeling a little bit more tight with their money, which is going to prevent them from financing that vacation property or second home, or taking that pay cut and moving from the city to Prince Edward County, or making that retirement move. Maybe they want to work for a few more years to build up a little bit more savings. So I think Prince Edward County has a longer road to recover than these other two markets. That being said, that's a wrap for this week's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.